Relaxation audio with Candy. Peaceful relaxation scripts for sleep, stress relief, and health. Hiccups can be irritating, even exhausting, especially if they won't go away. This relaxation for getting rid of hiccups can help to relax the muscles involved so your hiccups go away. This exercise is not a substitute for medical advice, so if you have tried relaxing and the hiccups still will not stop, consult a medical professional. This relaxation technique involves 3 things for getting rid of hiccups: slow breathing, mental focus, and muscle relaxation. You can repeat the exercise as many times as you need to. Usually with these techniques, I find that hiccups stop within a minute or 2. Sometimes they may come back and the exercise may need to be repeated. Begin with breathing. Your diaphragm is experiencing spasms when you hiccup, so breathing slowly can help to calm and relax the diaphragm. Breathe in very, very slowly, only taking in a little bit of air. Slow. Now pause. Hold that breath for a few seconds while you focus on being as relaxed as possible. Now very slowly, let a little bit of air out. Breathe out so slowly. And then pause for a moment before the next breath. Good. Again, breathe in very slowly through your nose. Imagine if a candle was right in front of your nose. The flame would not move or flicker. Now pause and hold that breath. That's right. Now so slowly breathe out, imagining that a candle would not flicker and the flame would not move because the air is leaving your nostrils so slowly. Pause for a moment after you have fully exhaled. Keep breathing slowly like this. If any hiccups occur, just ignore them. Keep breathing, not allowing any hiccups to change the pace of your breaths. If hiccups happen, just breathe calmly anyway, focusing on making your breaths very slow and very calm. One more time. Breathe in slowly. Focus only on the air you're breathing, and inhale so slowly you can barely feel the air moving into your lungs. Pause a moment. Now breathe out very slowly, hardly feeling air movement in your nostrils at all because the breath is so slow and calm. Good. Now as you keep breathing slowly like this, allow your breaths to occur at a comfortable pace. Breathe very gently. Gentle, slow, calm breaths. Concentrate now on the muscles that move when you breathe. Choose a movement that you will do at the exact same time as the next hiccup makes a sound. You could snap your fingers, tap your foot, or clap, for example. I'll refer to snapping your fingers, but you can choose whatever movement works for you. Try to time snapping your fingers precisely with the exact moment of the hiccup. Concentrate. Focus on your stomach area, the center of your body where your diaphragm is. This is where the hiccup would come from. Focus there so you can get the timing just right. When you feel the start of a hiccup, get ready to snap your fingers so the snap sound would be at the exact same time as the hiccup sound. Breathe very quietly so you can focus. Keep focusing on your diaphragm. Keep your breathing very steady, gentle, and quiet. Let's take a few bigger, deeper breaths. Breathe in deeply, not too slow and not too fast. Pause, and then breathe out with a slight sigh, letting the air leave through your mouth. Breathe in again deeply. Pause. And then exhale with a sigh. Breathe in through your nose. Pause. And out through your mouth. One more time. Take a nice deep breath. Hold. And exhale. Good. Now breathe slowly again. Quiet, gentle breaths. Barely moving. Taking in the air so slowly you could barely see your chest move. Slow and gentle. Very calm and quiet breaths. Continue to breathe very gentle breaths. If any hiccups happen, just allow them without paying too much attention. Return your attention to your muscles and just allow any hiccups to pass. Let's relax your muscles now. Focus first on your abdomen. Let the stomach muscles relax. Feel them ever so gently rising and falling with your slow, calm breaths. Let the muscles be loose, not holding on to any tension. Now focus on relaxing the muscles of your chest. Imagine that the muscles next to each rib are very relaxed, letting go of all tension, relaxing more and more with each breath you take. Relax your shoulders now, letting them be loose and relaxed. Dropping a bit lower, away from your ears, letting your shoulders completely relax. Now focus on the muscles of your back. Release all tension, letting the muscles of your back relax. Let go, becoming loose and relaxed. Concentrate on your neck. Let the muscles there give up any tension or tightness, relaxing the muscles on the front of your neck, the sides of your neck, and the back of your neck. Loose, calm, and relaxed. Let your breathing become very regular. Calm, gentle breaths. Breathing at a comfortable and relaxed pace. Focus completely on your breathing now. Just observing your breaths without trying to time them or change them in any way. Just observe. Relaxed and calm. Now you have finished this relaxation for getting rid of hiccups. Anytime you notice hiccups, you can go through the exercise again to help calm your diaphragm and feel more relaxed. Repeat this exercise as many times as you need to, and when you're finished and the hiccups are gone, you can go back to your usual activities.